Good morning, everyone. Dave Weiner here. I want to show you a new feature that I have implemented in 1999.io. And first, let me just say it's an experimental feature, and because it's kind of an experiment. So here I have a blog post, and I have a pretty plain vanilla simple editor. If I want to, I can italicize a word, or I can bold something, or I could add a nice list. Let's see, Alabama, Nevada, Ohio, Texas, etc. And I'm going to put some bullets on this so that it's a nice list. And throw a heading in here. This is a heading. So I just select it and I change it to H4. All right, so that's how that works. And you can see that there's a new menu item up here called Editors, and that's there because because I'm editing. So here, let me update this so that it's saved, and you can see now the menu is gone, and now it's there. Now you have to actually enable that, and so this is how I did that. In the miss panel, in the settings command, there's a new checkbox there, which says show the editors menu. So if you're not an advanced user, you won't see this. But if you click this thing now, you'll see the editors menu. And so what does the editors menu let you do? Well, right, it's a place where you can put editors. I guess that's, and the editors are configured on the server. So the server sysop gets to decide which editors the users have access to. And I've provided a single editor, and I'll provide some docs to show you how to do that. I provided a single editor as sort of example code, and it's also very useful to be able to edit the HTML source of a post. So if I choose it, it opens it up, and now you can see there's all the sort of crazy HTML that was generated by the editor. And there's my little list that I was working on. Right? And I'm going to make this a little bit nicer so it'll automatically sort of add lines to this stuff. And so let me just add an item to the list. So you have to know a little bit of HTML. I mean, you have to know HTML to do this. This is for people who know HTML, to be clear. So what's a good state? Vermont. It's a very nice state. Right? And let's boldface. Ride would be better than. Wait, what am I doing? I'm pretending this is HTML, right? Sorry, I got to do it this way. I was so in the mode of using the wizzy editor, which I really love. And by the way, this editor has its quirks too. It's the ACE editor, which is another open source editor, which is very beautiful and very wonderful. But as with all software, it has quirks. And I've just boldfaced this little phrase. So now, theoretically, I got my fingers crossed. I'm going to hold my breath, and I'm going to click the update button. And let's see what happens. Okay, you ready? Here we go. And there it is. That's in boldface, and Vermont's in the list. So that's the idea. Click on the text to edit it as normal. Do your editing as you normally would, right? Because all this stuff is just there. And then if you need to sort of hack up the HTML, well, you just do that and you're cool. So that's the deal. That's the new feature. New feature is we've got plugins for editors, and we've got a really nice HTML editor, which is cool. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.